Hey guys, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make toys out of Dollar Tree supplies. So, in my last video, I showed the unpacking of the Dollar Tree supplies, and now I'm going to be showing how you make them. So, the first toy is going to be out of straws. You could take just about this much straws. It's probably the simplest toy I'm going to be making. And then you could take one other straw and tie that together. And that makes a really simple toy. Okay, just tie it like 2 times. And then we could just cut off the extra pieces. And we just get a really simple toy like this. Okay, the next toy we're going to make is a little bead thing you could play with. So, this toy, all you need is some beads and some yarn. So, I'm going to choose a few colors of beads that I like. I'm going to be doing pink and purple. And then you can make a few of these with different kinds of patterns. Like you could go rainbow pattern or any other kind you'd like. Okay, so I just took a few. I'm not going to take much. I just took this much of the colors I want, and now I'm going to make it. So I take this much yarn. Doesn't matter. It depends on how much you want, how long you want it to be, or how much time you have. If you have less time, it's better you use less yarn because you could easily finish. So here are the ones I took, and I'm just going to tie the end a few times. Okay, I think this yarn is pretty small, so I'm going to take a bigger one. Okay, like this, and then we're going to tie the end of this. So I'm going to tie it once, and then I'm going to tie this a few times because the beads have big holes and could easily come out of this. So I'm going to make a few knots, so it'll make it hard for the beads to come out. Okay. Y'all could comment down below and tell me what toys or like what things y'all should buy to make toys, or if you need ideas for toys. I could always make videos for that. So I just made a big knot, and we're going to start. So I finished the toy, but I messed up over here. But it kind of looks cool because there's a space between each half. Okay, for the next toy, you need popsicle sticks. It could be colorful or it could be just plain. And you need some straws. So you just choose the color of straws you want. I'm going to choose yellow and green. And you need 2. And then you could choose a color of popsicle sticks, which I'm choosing red. And then you also need some scissors. And then you're going to cut the straw just like this. Okay. can be any type of straws. Doesn't matter. Okay. Now I'm going to cut a little piece this big and use this. And then do that do the same to your other straw. Okay. So I got 2 pieces like this. And now I'm going to put it to the sides of the popsicle stick, like this. Okay, and it's gonna be like this. And then we're going to do the same to that other piece of straw we cut. This is kind of hard to put in this side. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna fix this so it will go in easier because it's kind of complicated for me to put it in right now. Okay, I think he'll go in now. Okay, so I'm gonna get something like this, and then if you have yarn, if you don't need to worry. But if you have it, you could just secure it with a piece of yarn so they won't fall apart. Like this, just tie a piece of yarn so it will be tight. Like this. And this is a cool toy for your birds. This could mostly be used for parrots because parrots could like shred popsicle sticks. But you could use it for a small bird like parakeets or lovebirds because they could play with the yarn you used, or they could play with the straws, or kind of start biting the popsicle stick, but not exactly shredding it like parrots do. So if you don't have popsicle sticks, you could use straws, and I'm going to show you how to do that in the next part. Okay, so if you don't have popsicle sticks, you could just use a straw instead of a popsicle stick, and take 2 pieces of things and just stick them in like we did to the popsicle stick, but instead to the straw. That's even going to be cooler. Okay, but it's better if you take different colors that is not the same color of the straw you're using. So like I'm going to do green this time for the other side. And we're going to fit this in too. See, it's kind of a little cool straw that had 3 colors in it. It's blue, green, and yellow. Okay, probably not so easy to see. Okay, so if you have popsicle sticks and yarn, it could look like this. But if you don't, it could look like this. Which both are cool, so don't worry. So this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye!